You wake up in the morning and what do? You get yourself ready to go to school. But you don't have to go to school this time because school is closed. School at home, school at home. Let's get ready for some school at home. School at home, school at home. It's time for school at home.
Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Monday. We have a brand new week. Yesterday was Easter. We had a good weekend. So let's start some learning. Let's start with the date. Today is Monday, April 13th. Already halfway through April. Let's look at our days of the week list and see if you can find Monday. Where is Monday? There it is, Monday. Monday's the beginning of our week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But today is Monday, April 13th. Let's find the 13. Can you see the 13th? Thirteen has two numbers to make it up. What number is this? That's right, that's a 1. And what number is this? That's a 3. A 1 and a 3 make 13. Now, can you find another 13 on our paper? Let's look up here. Do you see a number with a 1 and a 3? There it is, 13. Today is the 13th. Monday, April 13th.
Here I am at the bottom of your screen. Let's practice some math together using this inventory sheet, which I will put online. I will put on our Google site, which is the one with the website you just click on, and I'm going to add it to our new Microsoft Teams page. So hopefully when we start getting on there, you can see it on there. Hopefully it lets me add it on from a Google Doc. We will see. But regardless, you'll have access to it. And today we're going to do it together in Miss Sabrina's class. So first you can see, I need to find, what is that? That's canned food. So first I need to go in my house and find some canned food. Then I have to count how many cans of food I have. Let's do it together.
Miss Sabrina's in the kitchen. Where do I keep canned food? Do I keep it in the refrigerator? No. I keep my canned food in my pantry. Look, there's lots of canned food. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 cans of food. Miss Sabrina has 8 cans of food.
Now that I know I have 8 cans of food, I'm going to go ahead and click it in here. If I double click, my text box comes up and I'm going to write the number 8. That's so little, so I'm going to make it bigger. Oh, here we go. If I click this button, wow, that really is too complicated. I hope you guys can print it at home because it'll be much easier. There we go, and I'm going to put it in the middle. 8. Save and close. I have 8 cans of food. What do I need next? Yeah, that's an apple. You can check how many apples you have at home, or you can count how many fruit you have all together. I don't have a whole lot of fruit currently, so let's go check.
Now let's look how many apples I have in my house. My apples are in the fridge. I see some apples. Let's count them together. Miss Sabrina has 1, 2, 3 apples. That one does not look great, but she has 3 apples. 1, 2, 3.
Since I have 3 apples, I'm going to click here and write 3. Double click and write 3. You can leave it little if you want, or you can make it bigger. 3 apples. Miss Sabrina has 3 apples, 8 cans of food, and 3 apples. Oh, let's see what she needs next. What's this? Yeah, that's some bottled water. Let's go see how many bottles of water Miss Sabrina has.
Miss Sabrina just got these waters out of her fridge. She has 1, 2, 3, all different brands, 4, 5 waters in her fridge. Do you have any water bottles at your house? Maybe you have little ones, or maybe you have a big one too.
I had 5 bottles of water when I checked just now. I'm going to write that down in this box. 5 bottles of water. 5 bottles of water. Again, I'm going to make it big so it's easier to read. But you don't have to make it big. Don't worry. 5 bottles of water. There I have it. Water, 5. So, we already found out that Miss Sabrina has 8 cans of food. She has 3 apples, and she has 5 water bottles. What does she need to look for next? Yeah, she needs to see how many loaves of bread she has.
Let's go count how many loaves of bread I have. Some people keep bread outside the refrigerator, and some people keep bread inside the refrigerator. Since I didn't know when I would be able to buy bread again, I put it inside my refrigerator so it would last longer. Let's see how many I have. Miss Sabrina has 1 loaf of bread. 1.
Now that I know I have 1 loaf of bread, I'm just going to write 1 in this box. Remember, we can type it straight in the box, or you can print it out, or you can draw it on a piece of paper, whatever's easiest for you. Oops, that's not what I need. I need to change the font. 1 loaf of bread. That's because Miss Sabrina eats a lot of bread, so she only has one left. There we go. We figured out that Miss Sabrina only has one loaf of bread. What do we need to look for next? Right, we need to look for milk. How many jugs or cartons or bottles of milk do you have? Let's go check Miss Sabrina's house. Let's check how many cartons of milk she has. Miss Sabrina drinks almond milk. She has 2 containers of almond milk. 1, 2. We found out that Miss Sabrina has 2 things of milk. Almond milk, but still we'll count it as milk. She's going to write down 2. And she's going to save it. There we go. That's what Miss Sabrina has. What do you have at your house? I have 8 cans of food. I have 3 apples. I have 5 bottles of water. I have 1 loaf of bread. And I have 2 cartons of milk. Now it's your turn to try at home. What do you have? Let Miss Sabrina know. Bye.